DIY table for 25 bucks. I challenged myself to make a simple table on a budget. Only one tool required. I used a screwdriver. I went to Home Depot and I got a 2 by 8 inch 10-foot board, and I had them cut it to 2 feet 6 inch lengths. You'll also need wood glue. For the legs, I got a 2 inch by 2 inch 10-foot board and had them cut it to the lengths I wanted, which were 2 feet each. I also grabbed some lath and had it cut to the width of my tabletop for a little more support. And lastly, I got some wood screws that are longer than the thickness of the tabletop. I started with laying the tabletops on a level surface and gluing the legs and then the lath. This simple design is not for heavy objects to be placed on or to be sat on. I just wanted a really basic accent piece. I let it dry and cure for 24 hours. The last step was to screw into each leg from the top of the table. And here's the finished project. Let me know your thoughts and if you have any great budget-friendly DIYs. Thanks for watching.